The Japanese marque is taking the Jazz, or Fit in other markets, up-tempo with the preview of its RS trim in Japan. RS road sailing adds sportiness to the vehicle by introducing aggressive-looking exterior and interior bits. Locally, Honda cars such as Thebrio, City Hatchback, and Civic are available with the sportier RS trim. In the case of the upcoming Honda Jazz RS, it gets a larger diamond pattern upper grille and a more prominent lower grille with vertical slats and the red RS badge. The hatchback is also seen with air scoops on the sides of the lower grille, which appear to be forks. Honda hasn't previewed the rear end, but we can see that the hatchback is fitted with an RS exclusive wheel with a star-like pattern. Although, we can't be sure of the size as the automaker has yet to unveil the full specifications of the 2023 Honda Jazz, or Fit RS trim. GDM spec Honda Jazz RS will be using a hybrid system with improved performance. It will also be coming with the front-wheel drive FWD, which is a unique configuration as compared to the rest of the range that has all-wheel drive AWD. With the Honda Civic hatchback sitting in HPI's lineup, it is very unlikely that we will see the new Jazz RS on our roads after its launch before the end of the year.